Hello everyone.
Hi. We are here at Epcot today. We are doing another installment of the Where in the World videos. We've already done Magic, Studios, and Animal Kingdom.
Last but not least.
Yeah, so last but not least is Epcot. We will put the link for those other videos in the description of this one so you can go check those out. If you're not familiar, what we do is we show something close up and then we'll hold it there for a few seconds and then watch until the end of the video, and we will give the answers so you can try to play along while you're watching the video, see if you know where these things are, and then you'll find out if you're right at the end of the video.
So let's get started. Where in Epcot can you find this?
Okay, here's an interesting one. Where can you find this sign? Okay, where can you find this? Okay, where in Epcot can you find this?
Where in Epcot are these? Where in Epcot can you find this?
Okay, does anyone know where this is? All right, where in Epcot can you find this?
Alright, where in Epcot can you find these drums?
All right, where in Epcot can you find these bicycles? You have your guesses? All right, here's a fun one. Where in Epcot can you find these Toy Story slippers?
Where can you find this in Epcot?
All right, does everybody have their guesses? Are you ready for the answers?
Here we go. Alright, did anybody get it right? This is the Star Plaster ship. Outside of Guardians of the Galaxy ride.
it is a fork and a knife. Does anyone know where this was? This is the signs. There's one on each side outside of Connections. So there you go. That's what I was showing you right there. All right, we are back to this. It is a hand. Does anyone know where this is? The wooder there is a hint. This is Tafiti's hand in the Journey of Water Moana attraction. So let me get a better shot at Tafiti over here. And there she is. And I was zooming in on her, one of her hands. She is so beautiful. Do you think you got this right? It is a whale. And it is on the Turtle Talk with Crush sign in the Seas Pavilion. So there you go.
These are the hot air balloons inside of Sunshine Seasons. Living with the Land is over there. And then the hot air balloons are all the way at the top. Alright, did you get it right? This telephone is in the Imagination Institute Figment ride. On the desk when you come in, this is the line. And then when you come in, there's a desk right here, and there's a yellow and a purple phone.
Did anyone know where it was? So King and Queen. It's a window display in the United Kingdom. Specifically at the very first store when you're coming from the Canada side. So, the Sportsman Shop store. It's right here. And over there you have the red telephone booths. So this first store entrance right here. It's kind of cool. They even move. They're lifting their cups up and down once in a while. Oh, and up here you have the trumpeters. Here they go, lifting up their cups. It's kind of cool. Probably a detail that a lot of people miss. Did anyone know where this was? This is on a stand in the France Pavilion. And it is right along the World Showcase. And here you have the bridge that comes over from the UK. And here is the camera that looks at the Eiffel Tower. So it's right behind this camera. And there you go. The Thinker.
Alright, did you guess right? These drums are in Japan. There's people come out that put on a little drum show right there. And there are the drums here in Japan.
Did anyone know where these were? They are part of the train village in the Germany Pavilion. So here you have a little town, and right there was the bicycle stand. All right, these cute Toy Story slippers. Anyone know where they are? Believe it or not, they are in the China Pavilion in the exhibit for Shanghai Disney. They have a Toy Story hotel, and these slippers are an amenity that you can get at that hotel. It's so cute. So there you can see Toy Story hotel, all the Toy Story stuff. And here we are in the Shanghai Disney exhibit of the China Pavilion. And these doors right here take you back out to the pavilion.
All right, did you get it right? This is on the outside of
I'm gonna look for you at the animals. Okay.
Mexico. And what I showed you guys is right there.
All right, so that's going to do it for our Where in the World Epcot
Edition.
Yes. Thank you. I hope you had fun playing along. Hopefully you got some of them right.
Hopefully they're not too hard. But
Yeah.
I think they are.
I don't know.
Well, some of them.
Yeah. We try to throw a mixture in there, like some a little bit easy,
Yeah.
pretty difficult.
Yeah.
So we hope you had fun. And again, we have already done the other 3 parks, and those links are in the description of this video, so you can go over and check those out and play along with those as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more content.
And remember, there's magic in all of us.
Bye.